Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect PU Prime to MT5. And for this we go to accounts, and first we want to create a account. So we go to demo accounts and click on open account, demo account, and then for here select the MetaTrader 5 USD 101 and then let's say 10k, and then we do submit. Then we do confirm, I know, and there it is, or active MT5 account. So right now, if you click here on trade, he will send us to the MetaTrader 5. You can see that right here in our screen. And now if we click, we need to log in with our login details. They send the login details to our email. So let's fill the login right there, the password right there. Then you do connect to account, and then you can connect, or let's say you can trade with the MetaTrader 5, and then you can use it from here. You can also go back and then go to downloads and then go here to MetaTrader 5, click here on Windows, then click here on the PU Prime 5 setup. Then we do yes. Then we do next. Then he's downloading the MT5 terminal setup, and that will cost you a few seconds. So right now if you search here for MT5, you can find it here, PU Prime MT5 terminal, and then we need to remove it to the other screen. So let's go show it on this screen right here. And there it is. So this is just the terminal, and it's better to do it in the web browser in my opinion. But this is how you can connect your PU Prime to MT5. So hopefully this was a video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.